On March 10th, we put out a video going over the background and current status of Germany's F126 frigate project, one that is several years behind due to data transfer issues between Dutch firm Damen and shipbuilders in Germany. We're already seeing more developments on the F126, and so today, let's take a look at all that's new for the project. It was actually on March 18th that Naval News reported that the German side has moved to speed up the project in order to reduce delays. You may recall that part of the delay in F126 progress involved software problems that prevented design plans from being transferred from the Netherlands to the German shipyards in the required quality. While this was eventually rectified, it was decided that German partners would take over from the original project lead, Dutch shipbuilder Damen. Damen's German partner was naval vessels Lürsen, which has since been acquired/taken over by German defense giant Rheinmetall. With its size and vast resources, Rheinmetall, as the intended new prime contractor, hopes to significantly shorten construction time of the F126 frigates. Lars Hoffmann, reporting for Hartpunkt, notes that a Rheinmetall spokesperson said the following: "We want to further accelerate the manufacturing process and, together with the customer, streamline the acceptance procedures considerably while fully guaranteeing operational readiness." With this in mind, the company is examining the best possible options, including concentrating and consolidating the acceptance of the weapons and operational systems. The Rheinmetall spokesperson confirms that the design data first generated by Damen has been successfully transferred into their own system, and this has closed the interface between design and manufacturing. Achieving this major step has allowed for the acceleration of production ramp-up in the shipyard halls, with the spokesperson saying, "Our shared goal is to transfer a pre-equipped prototype ship to our Hamburg site for final outfitting, commissioning and testing as early as the beginning of 2028. If the acceptance processes can be streamlined, delivery of the first ship in 2031 would be feasible." Now, it's important to note that Rheinmetall stepping into the role of prime contractor is not a quick process. It's reported that a due diligence process is currently taking place, and the company expects to step into the F126 prime contractor role within a few weeks, which, depending on the time you're watching this video, could be any day now. So that's the progress taking place on the F126 frigates. However, you may recall that Germany had also signed a preliminary agreement for the MEKO A200 DEU class frigate procurement project as a way to make up for F126 delays. Produced by TKMS, the firm stated that the preliminary agreement aims to enable the delivery of the first ship by the end of 2029, and the agreement was meant to initiate key preparatory measures. The key word is preliminary, as it's not yet an official construction contract, as the decision is still pending, at least as of late March, early April. However, it's understood that the German Ministry of Defense still intends to purchase 4 of these commercially available frigates. With a recent extension to the preliminary agreement in late March, TKMS says the move allows it to, quote, "continue reserving production capacity with subcontractors and suppliers and to order materials, equipment and machinery while preparations for a final construction contract are underway." So, what do you think of the progress being made on the F126 with Rheinmetall set to take over as prime contractor? Let us know by leaving a comment.